What's up, guys? So heading out to Russell's house. He's still moving and he got something new, so I'm excited to show you guys that. But still got some snow, but it's melting finally. And let's go meet up with Russell. So we're doing some moving today. We're gonna take this up to my friend's house. He's gonna be driving it this season. He's a beginner driver, so he's pretty excited about it. Needs some work, but it still runs. Winter needs to be over, so I could finally drive you again. Put my bucket back over. Come on, springtime. So I got a little bit of sad news, but I traded in my Subaru for a 2005 Toyota Tacoma. I've always wanted a truck, and this was a good opportunity to finally do that. So here she is. I'm very happy with her. Super clean. Four-wheel drive, quad cab, perfect to tow the Razor. The long bed too, which is a plus. So I'm very happy to have this truck now. I've always wanted a truck. The Tacoma has been my favorite truck for as long as I could remember. I'm gonna go finish my fenders this time. What a little puppy. There's a little puppy. Alright, so what I'm trying to do to finish these off is, you can tell these aren't even, just because got them from eBay and they just need to be adjusted. Nothing's perfect as fiberglass when you order it online. So that's what we're doing right now, trying to get her all flush. And so we had to rip the over fender off to shave down by the gas tank some more because it's just being stupid. So hopefully that makes it a little bit better. So right here, there was some Bondo underneath there and we didn't know, so the rivet just pulled out. So we had some rib nuts laying around, so we had to drill it out a little bit bigger, but we got a rib nut in there and then we'll just put a screw through that hole. So that should fix that. And we got her all on there. It doesn't fit perfect and I'm not the happiest with it. I don't know what the thing is, but we got the gas tank to line up. That was the main thing. But getting that lined up means that isn't lined up. And for that to line up with the bumper, you literally have to scoot it back 1.5 inches, which is bullshit. But so you get for getting cheap over fenders. I'm just gonna run them this season and maybe next year get some Origins, and hopefully those will be pretty dialed. But it's whatever. Get a season out of these guys and move on from there. Maya, you're missing 3 babies now. They went to new homes. I bet you're happy. Now she gets to go on all the bubbles in the world. And she gets high five. There you go. That's a good girl. So we only have 3 puppies left. This guy's going next week. Little cutie. His name's Juno, or her name's Juno. She's crazy. And then probably over here. What are you guys doing? Tank, I see you. Yep, no more puppy pen. Got this all cleaned out. Maya, she's a little sad, but she's also happy they're not attacking her all the time. Comment if I should get the RC drift cars going again. We got the 240 and we got the 86 Coupe 11. And then you gotta have the tow rig, so I got that too. Let me know. This thing is dirty. The first time the cover's been off in a couple months. Hi 240, I missed you. There's the inside. Shit brown. It's been a while since I've seen inside of here. Just pop that hood. Stock SR. Can't wait. Couple months away. I need to start working on this thing now. Steering wheel feels so far back compared to the Subaru. Damn. I got this thing too. I don't know. I've never seen these in 240s before, but had some sort of badass alarm in here. You just want that feather rub, huh? She wants that feather rub, huh? Oh! Get her. Nope, no more of that. No more of that. Must be nap time. What's up, baby? What? Go to bed.
So how was work today? Mike's still giving you the business?
I think that's going to be it for this video. Sorry it wasn't too long, but should be back at it next weekend. And